Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Want to give a huge shout out to XtremeSkins. They sent me not just one, but many different skins for my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. All the information that you will need to purchase any one of the skins that I'm going to show you in this video, outside of the one that I'm actually going to apply to my Pixel 9 Pro XL, and the ones that you can choose from over at the XtremeSkins website, because there are many more different color choices, texture choices. There's just so much going on over there. Got to do a little shopping, okay? So pick yourself up one or two and give your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL that little extra sum. Let's get a good look at the packaging. XtremeSkins Precision Style Protection, www.extremeskins.co.uk. On the back, get some information there. Take your time, check it all out. Many social media platforms that you can stay in touch with XtremeSkins as well. And some more information in here. You can scan that QR code, how to apply our skins. Now you've received your skin, apply it, snap it, share it. Problem with your order? Please contact the team via email, info@extremeskins.co.uk, quoting your order number, and save on your next order, 20% off your next order. Use code FLYER20. You do get some alcohol prep wipes, many of them, microcloths. Thank you. You will need a grippy little pad, something to help keep your 9 Pro XL from Google in place. It's best to turn off your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. You just don't want any interruptions whatsoever while going through the installation process. And going to lay it down about right here because I'm going to adjust my S24 Ultra. Going to move her down a little bit so you can see more of this than all of that. Now I will be using a blow dryer, and that is to heat up the adhesive so it will stick really, really well to my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. But the one thing that you need to watch for is the heat. You don't want it to sit in one area. You want to go back and forth, maybe a circular motion, zigzag, whatever works for you. You just don't want to leave that heat going into one area for a long period of time. It can damage not just the skin, but more importantly than that, your smartphone, your Pixel 9 Pro XL. All right, what I'm going to do is speed up the video, put on some music for your enjoyment. You guys can stare at Godzilla there. So I'm going to leave it about there. I may zoom in here and there throughout the install. So just kick back, relax, enjoy. Don't forget, down below in the description area, the XtremeSkins link for their official website. It is there that you're going to find what you want, put in your order, and give XtremeSkins about a week to deliver. These skins are coming out of the UK. If you order on a Monday, you should get it by Friday or Saturday, at the latest the next Monday. But if you order in the middle of the week or on Friday or Saturday, well, it's going to extend that period of time. All right. With that, let's do this. I wanted to do something fun. Why not? We'll see what that looks like with a clear case so we can see that bold skin on the back, the camera island there, G for Google, and at the top, bottom, and side rails, got the matte orange, the baby blue there.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby.
So what I'm going to do is put on the Caseology Capella charcoal gray clear case with kickstand. Got some TPU material up top, hard shell back, TPU sides, top and bottom. It's a beautiful clear case so I can see my skin setup here on my Pixel 9 Pro XL. But I got to be very careful because I don't want to rip these little guys from the side, top, and bottom. So, because the skin is still adhering, it's still sticking. But what the case is going to do, well, first of all, it's going to protect my investment, and it's going to look good on my Pixel 9 Pro XL, but it's going to help the adhering process. The back, sides, top, bottom is going to push up against the skins and help it stick. Because I do so many case reviews, I want to be able to leave this on for a little while and then be able to take it off without removing, especially those sides, top and bottom. So what I want to do is I'm going to start at the top like that. Kind of a challenge. You have to have some patience, man. If you don't have any patience, trust me, this is a process. What you're going to see is a few minutes of me doing an install, but really in actuality, it's literally like maybe 15 minutes. Sometimes it's a little bit shorter than that. Just depends. But again, you got to have patience. You got to do it when no one is around to bug you. And bam! Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I did it. Now that looks better now. Because of the case, you don't really see that separation so much between the waveform and the orange matte skin. That looks really, really good. I'm pretty happy about that. You let me know what you think. And because I have all those other skins, I can customize as I go. I can rip this guy off and put another one on there. But I'm digging it. You let me know what you think. Again, huge shout out XtremeSkins. And remember, when using a blow dryer, move that heat around. Don't want to damage your skin, but more importantly, your Pixel 9 Pro XL. Don't forget that all the information to purchase will be down below in the description area. And with that, thanks for watching. God bless you all. Peace. I am out.